Hey, it's Paul here. Today I want to talk about something super important, and that is having a vision. Do you have a vision? What is your vision? These are questions and things you need to have in place, especially if you're in a business. If you're in a business, you need to have some type of vision. And the reason is because your vision is what's going to carry you through the rough times. And I don't know anybody that comes into a business and goes straight to the top right away, having no experience. That doesn't happen. Usually it just goes, winding up and down, up and down. They're going to face obstacles. They're going to overcome those obstacles, and they're going to keep going. And the reason they're going to keep going is because they have this vision. They know where they want to be, and nothing's going to stop them. So they have this big, big vision. Now, the other thing about this is you need to have a vision that translates to other people, because this is how you're going to develop a big following. This is how you're going to create an empire. This is how you're going to empower other people, because they're going to buy into your vision. Now, an example of this is David Wood. David Wood created Empower Network with David Sharp, and they had a vision of empowering people, right? And that's why they call it an Empower Network. But their vision is big. I mean, they want to make so many millionaires, and they have specific numbers. I don't know the numbers by heart or anything like that, but these are big numbers. And the point is that they have thousands of people that are following them. David Wood speaks about his vision all the time. That's something he does, and people really follow that. So that's just one example. I just want to say, having a vision though, for me, I have a big vision too, and one of my visions is to be a millionaire maker. That's huge. That's huge. That scares me just saying it. That's just overwhelming. And obviously, having that kind of vision, I'm going to have to work a lot of myself. I'm going to have to develop a lot of skills, and I'm going to have to empower a lot of people. But see, when you have a bigger vision, you're always going to be pushing to get better and better and better. Whereas if your vision is tiny, there's no point, right? You're not going to do anything. And if you don't have a vision, how are you going to get people to come and follow you? How are you going to inspire people? It doesn't work. So I really suggest you working on that vision, becoming, making it something that other people are going to be able to buy into, and well, not even buy into, but just follow you, see that you can help them. And, just that's going to really help a lot. Anyway, I wanted to also give you a little story why I've continued going. Like I told you, my vision's huge, right? It wasn't always that big, but my first thing was just to make enough money to pay my bills. That was basically where I was. But then from there, I want to be able to pay for my family and my friends and help them become financially free. And then from there, it goes out to help everyone be financially free, right? I mean, obviously that's not going to happen, but help as many people as I can become financially free. But anyway, when I got started online, I faced every obstacle. I didn't get results, really it looked very grim, nothing was happening for me. And it was my vision that kept me going. I had a vision, I could see what I wanted. I could visualize where I was. And by doing so, I just kept going. I kept consistently doing the things I needed to do every day, and I kept going. And I kept saying, I want to inspire others. I want to help others, and this kind of thing. So anyway, that's what I have for today. I know it's a little all over the place, but this is really important. You really do have to see where you want to go. If you got value, please like, share, and comment about it. I do appreciate that. Connect with me. I am a real person. You can connect with me on Facebook, connect with me on Skype. And with that, make it a great day. See you next time.